everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Miki. In today's video, we are going to crochet this super easy but very cute bow keychain. You can also use as a back charm or simply as an add-on for your plushie or anything you can name it. Now, let's get started. We're gonna start with 63 chain stitches. Make a slip knot. And then we make chain stitches. Yarn over, pull through. This is 1 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just keep doing it until you have 63 chain stitches. Now, in the second stitch, we're gonna do half double crochet. First, we yarn over and insert the hook into the second stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on a hook, and yarn over, pull through the 3 loops all together and put a stitch marker on this first stitch. And we're gonna do 5 more half double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. This is the second one. The third one, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Now we have 6 half double crochet right now, and then we need to do 6 slip stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. Let's try this again. Insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. Now we've already got 2, and we have 4 more to go. And now we need to have 16 half double crochet. We just follow the same way. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, make a half double crochet. This is the first one. And second one. Third one. Keep doing it until you have 16 half double crochet right here. After the 16 half double crochet, we're gonna do 6 more slip stitch. Again, insert, pull out, insert. This is slip stitch. We need to have 6 slip stitch. Now we need to have 16 half double crochet again. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Please keep doing it. And now we need to have 6 slip stitch again. One, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now in the end, we need to have 6 half double crochet. In round 2, first, let's make 2 chain stitches, and then turn to the back, insert your hook into the first stitch, and we're gonna do 6 half double crochet. But you have to keep in mind for round 2 and 3, we only do stitches on the back loop only. So to do that, we yarn over and insert the hook into the back loop and make 1 half double crochet. You can put another stitch marker on the first stitch. Let's try this again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, keep doing it until you have 6 half double crochet. Now, after the 6 half double crochet, we do 6 slip stitch and then 16 half double crochet, and then 6 slip stitch, 16 half double crochet, 6 slip stitch, and another 6 half double crochet. So it sounds like tongue twister, but you just need to follow the pattern for round 2 and round 3. Before you start round 3, again, you need to have 2 chain stitches, flip to the back, and to make your stitches on the back loop only. After you are done, make a chain stitch, pull out the yarn, now we are done with the ribbon part. And if you prefer your bow looks bigger, the ribbon part looks wider, you can of course add more round. So for this one I have 5 round, and for this skinny one I have 3 rounds. So it's up to you to make more rounds or just as small as this one. And we also need a tie to put in the middle to hold the ribbon together. You can grab a different color of yarn, but also you can use the same color. We're gonna start with the chain stitches as well. Make a slip knot, and we're gonna make 10 chain stitches. And now in the second stitch, make half double crochet. Keep doing half double crochet and you should have 9 half double crochet in this round. And we only need this round. After you are done, make a chain stitch and pull out the yarn. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay posted with my latest crochet patterns and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!